Welcome dear students in the maths class. Today we will see the definition of altitude, how to draw the altitude and property related with the altitude. So firstly we will see the definition. The perpendicular segment, perpendicular means it intersect at 90 degree. Drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Means altitude is a segment. See, firstly draw the triangle. Give the any labels. Suppose A, B, C. Suppose I want to draw the altitude from the A. So what is the opposite side? BC. So altitude is drawn by using the set square. So put the one side of the set square on the side BC and another side of the set square is touched to the point A and draw the line. Draw the line. So this line is exactly intersect at a 90 degree and it is opposite to the vertex A and it drawn on the opposite side of the vertex A. So suppose I want to give the here letter D. So segment AD is the altitude of side BC. Understood? Now see the property of the altitudes of the triangle. So firstly draw the triangle. Give any labels. Suppose P, Q, R. So firstly draw altitude from the point P. Take the set square. Put the one side of the set square on the opposite side of the vertex P. So opposite side of the vertex P is a QR. Now another side of the set square is exactly touched to the point P. And draw the line segment. Suppose this is the X. So PX, segment PX is the altitude drawn from the point P. Now from the R. So what is the opposite side of the vertex R? Yes, side PQ. So put the set square on the side PQ and another side is exactly touched to the point R. See here. And draw the line. This is the altitude drawn from the vertex R. Suppose it is Y. RY. Now altitude drawn from the Q. So side PR is the opposite side from the vertex Q. So put the set square on the side PR and another side is touched to the point Q. C. Now join the line. This is the altitude drawn from the point Q. Give the label here Z. So QZ is the altitude drawn from the point Q. So see here, all the altitudes of all sides are passes through a single point, means Altitudes of the triangle are concurrent to each other. Their point of concurrence is denoted by O. O means orthocentre. Means altitude of the triangles are concurrent to each other. Their point of concurrence is called as orthocentre and it is denoted by letter O. Thank you.